So, just releasing a couple of videos. No views. No views. Shock. We all know I've been deranked, and it's 27th of July, Saturday. Basically, put those two videos out. In the last 30 days, this TubeBuddy analytics here tells me the videos and the views and the subscribers, and it shows me somehow I've lost viewers there. And just recently, after criticising YouTube, 23 views lost, 135 lost, 3 lost, 129 lost. And the thing is, I haven't just lost 129 views today. It's whatever views I would have picked up today from my videos, plus that 129 have just took off me. It sucks. I don't mind taking you into my dashboard, my studio, whatever. I get an outside. I don't care. I'm not making money, so it's okay. Even if I was, I'd still show you. You know. Let's see today. So it says I've lost 129 viewers. Okay, so from today, this morning there's 2, 4, plus 3, 7, 9, 11, and then 2 more, 13, 15, 20, 24, 32, 33, 34, 41, 48, 52, 55. So I've lost 55 views today, plus that 129. So it's taken 184 views off me today. Look, this hour I can see there's some people tuning in to watch the videos. In the last 60 minutes I've had 7 views. There you go, and they're watching these videos. FM19 play training. Subscribe here. Best Wonder Kids. Rochdale versus Blackpool. Hey, someone's watching it. That got released today. YouTube sucks, and here's why. Only 1 view. Considering that came out on the 25th, 48 hours ago, says I've only got 6 views. Only 6 views. The analytics says 9. Watch time 16. I'm telling you now. Audience retention 107.3%. How do I even get that audience retention? What the hell? So browse features, YouTube search, other YouTube features, not suggested. See how it's not suggested? Mental. So yeah, that's kind of how things are at the moment. I'm not gonna get stressed about it. I've just kind of accepted it. I'm just gonna put videos out. I've just accepted that I'm never gonna be monetized. I'm never gonna reach the point where I could have any kind of monetization. 28,365 watch time minutes. That should be about 100,000 by now. 8,937 views, which should be a hell of a lot more. Yeah, just ridiculous. What can I do? You know, there's nothing I can do about it. It sucks. That's it. It sucks, the big one. Sucks, the big kahuna. I'd like to thank people for subscribing to me. It's pretty awesome you do that. I actually do appreciate it. What I would appreciate massively is people sharing the videos, because the more I'm shared, the more people view these videos, actually the better it is, and the more likely it is people will be able to see them. The less likely they'll get a. See, I'm getting 100% likes on my videos, you know, so it's not as though I'm putting bad content out there. So thank you for you guys supporting me, and liking the videos. I do appreciate it. 5 likes for Leeds United at the beginning. 73 views, 10 comments, and we'll have a look at Leeds United at the beginning on here. Now it says 73 views, 10 comments. Let's see what it says here when it loads up. Hey, 73 views, 5 likes. Okay. This shows me my tags as well for the TubeBuddy, where they rank. So if you type any of these things in, like Leeds United, it comes up 4th, or Leeds United Let's Play, it comes up 3rd in that list. So let's just do that now. We'll type in Leeds United, and I should come up as the 4th video. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. FM Pepe says 71 views. 61 views. Sorry, when it just said 73. What the hell? Oh man. So I'm looking forward to watching. As my dog's coughing, I'm looking forward to watching this trailer. Leeds United Take Us Home. Let's see what this is about. The inside has Marcelo Bielsa. So yeah, definitely looking forward to seeing that video. I will do a review on it as well, and hopefully you guys keep on tuning in, watching the stuff, and keep supporting me. Thank you for everything you're doing. Just wanted to show you this as well. This is Social Blade. Anyone can go on Social Blade. You just type in FM Pepe, and it'll tell you how many videos, uploads I've put up, subscribers, total video views. From the Google AdSense, their estimate of yearly earnings and estimate of monthly earnings. I'm not monetized, so you can forget that. But here it shows you the video views. I've actually lost views and it registers them here. So today, on Saturday 27th, I've already lost 121 views according to them, and I've put 2 videos out. I give up. Honestly, I don't know. I gained 2 subscribers, put 2 videos out, and I still lost 121 views. It wasn't like I lost 121 subscribers. I lost 121 views. And apparently I'm -2 to -31 pence. I would owe them 31p. They take the proverbial, you know, properly extracting the urine. So yeah. I think they also do here future projections, and you can see here subscribers milestone. So to get to 1,000 views, they think it'll be in 1,000 subscribers. Sorry, they think it's going to be like 38 days. The viewing milestone to get to 10,000 views, they think it's going to be 5 days. To get to 10,000 views in 5 days, and in 5 days I have 741 subscribers. That's mental. I've got 574 subscribers right now, so that 741's never going to happen. And as for 10,000 views, when they're taking like 150 views a day off me, I actually don't know how I'm going to get that. So yeah, I'm not gonna get anywhere near that. That's just bonkers. But it shows you what you could have a year from now, or sort of 2 years from now. But look, I'm not gonna be one of these guys who makes a lot of money out of this at all. I'm not gonna make any money. So my gratification comes to you guys watching and enjoying the videos. So please drop a like, keep subscribed, and make sure you share the videos, because that's basically how I'm going to survive, just by you guys sharing the videos. If you don't, I swear I think my channel's going to die with these people. I think YouTube's just going to like carry on removing views and doing it until the point where I just give up. So I don't want to give up. I've worked very, very hard, and I don't deserve what they're doing to me. So thank you for subscribing, thank you for sharing. I can see here I gained subscribers yesterday and the other day. Today and yesterday. Thank you for that. And yeah, I will speak to you all again in the next video. Cheers for listening to me waffle on. I'll see you later. Bye.